classes, and it was so fun. And you used to talk about how to, de-stress yourself. So I really used to enjoy our classes.
Thank you.
So I think Mr. Anand is here, so you can start now. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hope everything is going good in Corona time.
Yeah, definitely. Because we are engaged the entire day. Apart from the household activities, our classes, exams, evaluations, all the works are going on, research activities.
Okay.
Starts from 4. So after getting 4, after doing my daily activities, I do yoga for 1 hour. Then I go for a walk for 1 hour. So my day starts with that.
Okay.
It is, yes.
Yeah, correct, ma'am. Please go ahead, ma'am. I'm listening.
Yeah. So we are very important. Everyone needs to take care of both physical health, mental health, and also the social health.
That's correct. That's correct. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice one, ma'am. Ma'am, what are the healthy eating habits which the youth should follow this?
Healthy, you see, now the youngsters are quite more adaptable to fast food, all those things that I know. But that's why I always suggest you take, there is no issue of it, but you should minimize all those things, and you must take care of your food habits. Like your breakfast, you should not skip at any day your breakfast, which is very important. And your breakfast should be very heavy, and then lunch and light dinner. So you have to take care of these things. More homemade foods is preferable, and if you are taking fast food, it's okay, but it should not be more junk food or fast food. We must avoid, because all of us know that these are not very good for our health. And if you are taking those things, then you should drink lot of water with that, and detoxify yourself by doing some exercises, yoga, or you go to gym, whatever you prefer to do.
We can add one more point, ma'am. From my side, is there, like, suppose if you are eating a junk food, you love to eat a street food like chowmein, Manchurian, and all. We can take it in a fusion way. Like suppose in Manchurian, we can use a brown bread for making Manchurian. If you are making in a home.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you
Yeah.
suggest mention some food that contributes in building immunity? Nowadays, Corona time is going on, and you also hope so you are taking that type of food.
Yeah, like you can take like aloe
Like
vera juice.
ginger is
That
there.
is very good. Ginger, aloe vera juice, then tulsi. You can make it like in Ayurveda we say kada. You can
Yes, yes,
prepare a kada by taking ginger, tulsi, then black pepper, all those things, mixing and boiling, and taking that water is very helpful. Then that along with aloe vera, you can take giloy. Giloy is very good for enhancing your immunity system, all kind of immunity system. So it is an Ayurveda product, giloy. You can get it from any Ayurveda shop. So it is very good to enhance the immunity system. Then another thing is wheatgrass. Wheatgrass powder or juice is very good for health also, to build our immune system. And that will definitely motivate you to move ahead in life, because whatever may be the situation, whatever may be the circumstances, life has to move on. That is the reality and that is the truth. So life has to move on. जैसे संस्कृत में एक श्लोक है, चरैवती चरैवती चरैवती, मीन्स लाइफ हैज टू मूव ऑन.
Ma'am, different people's like in nowadays, everyone have his own definition of
2004, I gave up all those habits after becoming a yoga teacher. So then I converted, diverted my attention to ghar ka khana than to bahar ka khana.
actually while I'm opening my video, so it's going in some error is giving in my Zoom. So it's better I will switch off my video and I'll talk with the audio only.
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, due to some network issue, now I am not able to continue so much. So I'll just give one more questions for you. Like आज के दिन में जैसे कि इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर एक होता है कि कुछ अगर खाना आप खा रहे हैं उसको कैसे इम्यूनिटी अपना बूस्ट करे. लाइक बोलते हैं कि ये जिंजर हो गया, जैसे कि आप बताए वो सारा चीज खाने से इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर होता है. और एक चीज रहता है जैसे कि अंदर से ही खुद बूस्ट अप रहता है, एक एनर्जी आता है. सपोज अगर आप कोई अगर खाना बना रहा है, अगर उस भाव से खाना बनाए और कि जो खाने वाले हैं वो मेरे बेटा है या फिर बच्चे हैं उनके लिए बना रहे हैं, और खाने वाले भी अगर उसी भाव से खाना खाए तो उसके शरीर में लगता है वो चीज. इस बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
वेरी ट्रू. नो, इट्स वेरी ट्रू, बिकॉज जब भी हम खाना बनाते हैं घर में, कोई भी माँ हो या कोई भी हो, जब भी खाना बनाते हैं जो थॉट्स वो माइंड में रखकर बनाते हैं वही थॉट्स खाने वालों को भी ट्रांसफर होता है. अगर हम इरिटेट हो गए आज, अगर मेरा माइंड टेंस में है एंड इफ आई एम कुकिंग विथ मच इरिटेशन, then definitely that feeling of irritation will be transferred to the people who will take the food. So आप जो बोले, जो ना बनाते हैं और जिस मन से हम खाना खाते हैं, ये दोनों बहुत important है. and I do believe in these facts. एंड जैसे कि मैंने बोली, एक तो जो हम चर्चा किए कि जिंजर हो, गिलय हो, एलोवेरा हो, ये हमारा इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम को एनहांस करता है. उसके साथ साथ प्राणायाम एंड मेडिटेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Doing exercises are very important to boost your immune system. Like some asanas are there which can really help you to enhance your immune system, like Surya Namaskar, those asanas, Surya Namaskar in pranayam, Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom. These are very important. At least everyone should give 30 minutes time to himself or herself for this. So what you said, I really believe on that. Whatever thought we carry while cooking, it really get transferred to the people who take the food.
Ma'am, actually I'll just add on, because the Hey Foodie is working for this concept only, that हमारा जो स्टार शेफ जो खाना बना रहे हैं, they will be like home cook. Suppose if you are in a home and if you love to cook, you also can register as a star chef and you can cook the food for the children, with the school going children. So ma'am, there is one more questions coming out. So from your choice, what do you prefer more, घर का खाना or restaurant food?
घर का खाना.
Okay, so is there any specific for that reason? Restaurant food is more tasty.
Actually, I avoid spicy food. I do not like, means before 2004 I was I had lot of fun for restaurant foods, for fast food, but after 2004 my habits got changed and now I am very much used to ghar ka khana. So I don't like any kind of fast food, means I don't prefer all those things. Very rarely I do take, very rarely. Yes, I think not once in a year also.
Correct, ma'am. There is like nowadays we also you also seeing the news like students are going in a depression mode. So is any relations of food with the depression?
Yeah, to some extent, it is there is a relation between food and depression because our food, our thought, everything impact. So कैसा हम खाना खा रहे हैं, जो खाना बना रहे हैं वो किस थॉट में खाना बनाते हैं, और वो जो खाते हैं वो किस थॉट में खाना खाते हैं, all these things impact and create depression. So there is a relationship between your thought, your food, and also depression.
Well said, ma'am. Well said. So I will just open our last next 5 minutes for the audience. So if anyone has the questions, they can go for it.
Ma'am, I would like to ask a question.
Yes.
So, do you feel that following a timetable is an important factor which should be, considered for a healthy lifestyle?
Yeah, definitely. But sometimes it is not possible. But most of the time, we must follow a routine to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Like, for example, even you must remember, I used to say in my class that you must give 1 hour time to yourself, 30 minutes for exercise and 30 minutes for good reading. I think you
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
that. So definitely we must follow a routine, but some days it may not be possible. So for that we should not get depressed. Some 2-3 days deviation is okay, but it should be in our mind that we must maintain the routine. So that is very important. So if you are going for a walk, you should continue that. If you are not able to do in the morning, then you do in the evening, but you should maintain that thing. That is very important.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, anyone else? I think everyone is clear on the point what they need to ask. But I have a questions for you, ma'am. Sir,
Okay.
means what kind of major difference between food cooked at home and food cooked in restaurant?
Already we have discussed some point regarding the thought factor, that is the mind factor. And then second thing, restaurant foods are definitely spicy, more oily than homemade food. So in homemade food, these things can be taken care of. You can prepare the food with less oil, with less spicy, but in restaurant you can make it like that, because the taste factor is there. If the food will not be tasty, then people will not prefer, and they will not come again and again. So that is one of the important reason. Then the third factor, we do not know the person who is cooking in which mental state he or she is cooking, that we do not know. So in home also the same thing can happen, but the better chance you can ensure at home than in restaurant.
That's super, ma'am. Ma'am, which oil you are using in a home?
Then another factor, the hygiene factor. To your previous question, I want to add the hygiene factor, because I have one experience. I was giving training to the staff of one tea-star here in Bhubaneswar, in a very leading hotel. So we used to visit that their kitchen. So it was very, if you enter inside the kitchen, then you will feel that next time I'll not take any food in any hotel. So that kind. So the hygiene factor is very important, which in restaurant you cannot ensure, but at home you can ensure that. Yeah. So now
Yes.
come to your next question.
Ma'am, actually one questions come in a chat box. Amit Senapati's question is how to ask question as I feel hesitation to ask question. How can I overcome this, ma'am?
Why do you hesitate? You feel confident that I am the best. तो लोग क्या कहेंगे LKK के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. So I need to ask and I should ask. What others will think, if that thing will come in mind, then I'll definitely hesitate to ask questions. So, लोग क्या कहेंगे LKK, I should not think of HKK. हम क्या कहेंगे उसका ऊपर फोकस करो and be confident. I am the best as per my capability. If you feel like that, then definitely you will overcome that lack of confidence. And the more you communicate, the better your hesitation will disappear.
Super, ma'am. Ma'am, by your word, one song is coming in my mind. Like कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना. It's very old song, right?
Yes, I do know.
So it's the which Amit has posed is very good questions he asked with you. One more question is coming here, ma'am. Awadh has asked this question, ma'am. As I am from Gujarat, what is your thought about Gujarati food? Want to know your thought about it.
I do like. It's good.
Any some Gujarati items, ma'am? You remember the name of it?
I think dhokla.
Yes, yes, ma'am. It's a world famous dish.
Yeah, so that I like. Then another your what sagu का एक बड़ा बनाते हैं Gujarati people. That's very nice.
That's super, ma'am. Maybe it's my question is completed. Actually, due to some network issue, I am not able to continue, and I'll miss some of the part. But no doubt, Devashmita has taken it over now. And I'm handing over to Devashmita back. Devashmita, take it and just go for it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. So now, ma'am, we will play a fun game. So it's a rapid fire round.
अच्छा.
Are you ready, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So okay, ma'am. So my first question is, what is your favorite dish?
Yeah. You are not audible. Once again, please. Your question, please.
Ma'am, what is your favorite dish? Favorite dish, ma'am. Am I audible right now?
Yeah, roti, dalma, and any sabji, Odia sabji.
Proper Odia dish, no, ma'am.
Yes. But not non-veg.
Okay, ma'am.
Not non-veg.
That's great, ma'am.
मैम चिकन
Okay,
क्या
now, ma'am.
गलत किया था मैम?
चिकन तो मैं नहीं खाती हूँ. चिकन मटन तो मैं बिल्कुल ही नहीं खाती हूँ. फिश कभी कभी
मैम
खाती हूँ.
तो हम लोग
Yes.
का ट्रीट होगा तो वो मैम हम लोग का ट्रीट होगा तो वो वेज होगा क्या मैम?
Yeah, Tirupati, we are not audible.
मैम हम लोग का अगर ट्रीट होगा तो मैम वो वेजिटेरियन होगा क्या मैम?
तुम लोग नॉन वेज खाओगे, मैं वेज खाऊंगी.
Okay, ma'am. So who do you admire the most?
My grandfather.
What is your favorite hobby?
Listen to music and reading.
So, ma'am, are you a morning person or a night person?
Pardon?
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Morning person.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to ask you that Yeah, can you please describe me about yourself in 3 words?
I am positive, I am energetic, and I love to take challenges.
What and hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, if you could buy any type of food, like right now, what would you buy?
Any kind of food.
Yes,
From where? Restaurant or
yeah,
if
from
you,
restaurant.
yeah, it's a difficult question. Okay. Simple food I love to buy.
That's fine, ma'am. So, ma'am, if you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go and why?
You see, to visit different places is one of my interest. So if I get a chance to visit any place, then Switzerland, because I love that place because of the beautiful scene. So the reason is to visit different places.
That's really nice, ma'am. So, ma'am, thank you so much. We're really glad that you took out some time from your busy schedule and joined us on this chat show. So, we would like to give you a small token of gratitude, which is a participation certificate. I will show you the certificate right now. Can you see the certificate, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So, we will mail this to you. So thank you so much, ma'am. Again, it was a really great experience and the session was really informative. So one last question, any tips for a stress-free life? Any tips you want to
Yeah.
give? Any 3 tips?
Yes, yes. First, you have to take three things are very important. First, you have to take care of your mental health. So, for that, definitely you give some time to yourself, do yoga and meditation. At least 10 minutes time for meditation. Definitely, it will help you to reduce your stress and you do some exercise. If you love to go to the gym, but in Corona time, all the gyms are closed. So you have to either go for a walk or you have to do exercises at your home. So whatever you prefer, definitely you go for, if you don't find time, then at least 30-minute time you give for that. Either you go for a walk or you do some exercise like Surya Namaskar is very good, which will help you to physically healthy and also to reduce your stress level, and do some breathing exercises like Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Kapalbhati and meditation. And your sleep is very important. At least 6 to 7 hours of sound sleep is very important. And
Ma'am, some technical issue. Ma'am, am I audible?
Your voice is not coming.
of your sleep. So what I get up uh, Devashmita, I got disconnected. I don't know whether you, whatever I said, you got it or not.
Ma'am,
We
your
got the
voice is
points, ma'am.
completely silent.
But we got the points, ma'am, that you have told. Thank you so much. And ma'am, on behalf of A40, I'm extremely sorry for the inconveniences that happened, the technical glitches and all.
It's okay, sir.
Thank
It
you. Thank you
happens.
so much, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you so much, ma'am.
welcome.
And we are really honored and delighted that you have with us. Thank you.
Okay, welcome, and thank you also. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.